Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to do a dynamic zoom with an adjustment clip and save it so you could reuse it. So normally in my tutorials, I'll grab an adjustment clip and do a little zoom in case I want to focus on a certain spot on the screen. So what I do is at the very first frame, I go ahead and hit the global keyframe here, and that adds all keyframes for the position. And then I'll go in about midway through the clip, and I usually just zoom it in a little bit. And then I will grab the screen and kind of move over to where I want. You can see this red dynamic zoom line appears. So I get that roughly around the middle. And now we can play this, especially trying to mask this license plate. Zooms in and holds. Now we can use these parameters inside the keyframe editor. So if we go over to keyframes here and you pop it out like this, here's our keyframes. So here's our starting position. And this is our zoom where it stops zooming. And if we wanted this to hold, we can copy that and maybe have it hold till about there. Then copy our original position and we can go to the end of the clip and paste it. So now when we play through this clip, it'll do the zoom, hold, and zoom out. I'm trying to mask out this license plate, do tracking things. So we use this magic. And that's how you can put in a dynamic zoom on your adjustment clip instead of having to do it on your video clip itself. And then if you want to save this, you can go ahead and make a compound clip. So if we grab this adjustment clip, it's going to keep it the same time here. So it's not like you're going to be able to use it for every situation. But you can right click this and say new compound clip. We'll call this zoom. And as you can see, we now have a zoom here in our media bin. It's whatever bin you happen to be in is where it will save. Drop that down. And if we came upon this section, there's that same zoom. So you could save some presets if you wanted to zoom to the right, zoom to the left, things like that. That's how you can save a zoom in your adjustment clip and save it for future use. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys on the next one.